Welcome to Best Machine channel. Our company is a professional machine supplier. We wish to introduce you our Toothpick filling machine. This machine has many merits. High-speed packing, easy for operation. For this machine, it should be worked with air compressor. This machine should be customized according to your plastic bottle size. We wish to show you the detailed working for this machine. You can see that this machine can fill 2 bottles at one time. It is very efficient. The operation is controlled by manually. It is well filled. If you wish to know more information about this machine, don't hesitate to contact us. Special thanks to our customers from African countries. Welcome to contact us. This is our company website. We have rich experiences in machine making and also exporting. If you have any questions in project setup, don't hesitate to contact us. Welcome to email us. This is our WhatsApp number. Welcome to add us. Welcome to add our WeChat. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Wish every customer a great success. Thank you for your kind watching. Welcome to subscribe our channel. Thank you.